Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Ranger XLT. Coming in this nice Velocity Blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the Sport Appearance Package, FX4 Off-Road Package, Advanced Towing Package, and Towing Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do have a nice black gripped running board with blind spot detection. And move to the front real quick. We do have a block heater and that nice Ranger grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and gray cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back. We've got a little storage cubby there, USB and USB-C and 120 volt. And of course, if you don't need that extra person, this does fold down for cup holders and arm space, and you can lift up the seats for additional storage by just pulling this, and you get additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats, the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, you got powered door mirrors, and your lights are all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 7.1 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-up steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at your screen here, you do have My View, Trip and Feel, Off-Road, Towing, Audio, Phone, Navigation, Settings, and Vehicle Maintenance. Over here we have a Gear Select, Speed Adjusters, Cup Holders with Parking Brake, got 4-wheel drive, Tow and Haul Mode, Drive Modes. You have your traction, Auto Stop, Auto Start, nice leather-wrapped center console. Got storage here, wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C, max temperature, AC, max AC, fan, volume, hazards, temperature. Got a little storage cubby there with storage below. A nice big infotainment system that does have navigation. You got your phone, music, tow and haul mode, all that fun stuff. Audio, which does have SiriusXM capabilities. You got your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Sketch, towing, all that fun stuff. And all your vehicle settings with your backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE58614, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.